In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Whop under a specific organization in a smooth and efficient way. This straightforward process will help you streamline your tasks and manage your projects with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open Whop. This is your gateway to organizing and managing your various projects or business ventures effectively. Once you're there, look for the option to click New Whop. This will set you on the right path to creating a brand new entity within your organization. This process is crucial as it establishes a new structure for whatever project you're working on. The next step is selecting the organization you wish to work under. This is important because each organization can have its own set of rules, data, and affiliations that pertain to different aspects of your business or projects. For this demonstration, the organization I'll be choosing is dropshipping. Clicking Continue will guide us to the next phase of setting up. It's pivotal to ensure you're selecting the correct organization, as this can impact the operations, access, and resources allocated to your Whop. Now, it's time to give your new Whop a name. Clear and descriptive naming is key here because it should reflect the essence of the project or venture you are about to undertake. In this example, I'll type out Learn Dropshipping. This name indicates that the focus will be on gaining and sharing knowledge about this particular field. With your Whop name typed in, click Continue. A well-chosen name not only clarifies the purpose to your team, but often inspires enthusiasm and clarity in actualizing project goals. The following step is simple. Click Continue once more. This action serves as a confirmation of all the selections and entries you've made up to this point. It solidifies the initial process, making sure that your Whop is ready to become a part of the project management system. Now, let's navigate back to the dashboard. Here, you want to click on your Whop, the one you just created. This will give you immediate feedback on the status and setup of your newly minted Whop. You'll be able to see that your efforts have resulted in the creation of 2 distinct products. This is an exciting moment because you've not only named and organized a new project, but also successfully laid the groundwork for tangible results through those products. By following these steps, you've effectively created a new Whop within your chosen organization, setting yourself up for success in managing and executing your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made your workflow just a bit more seamless.